It's 1,200 dead Palestinians in 3 weeks. Isn't that proof enough that Israel went into Gaza trying to kill as many people as possible? Well, let's think about that for a minute. And here's the scenario for you. What do you think would happen if we took one of the strongest militaries in the world, infused that military with a strong motivation to kill as many people as it came across, then sent that military into one of the most densely populated areas in the world? There are 1.5 million Palestinians living in Gaza, 6,000 per square kilometer. So let's take the strongest army in the world, eager to kill as many people as possible, and send that army into the most populated area in the world, where the enemy is pushing the population, the innocent civilians, to the front lines. And let's ask ourselves, how many dead would be if that were the case? Think about it. Would it end at 1,200? Just consider the Chechen war between Russia and Chechnya. Think about what's happening in Kashmir between Pakistan and India. Think about what's happening in Zimbabwe and South Africa. Think about how many people in Tibet have been killed by the Chinese. These are the numbers we can expect when a military really does go in not caring how many people it's going to kill. And if any one of these countries were to replace Israel in the conflict in Gaza, or if the Israeli military really wanted to unleash its entire ability, its entire firepower, to kill as many Palestinians as possible, I can assure you of one thing. The number of Palestinian casualties would not be 1,200. It would be much, much more. And so we see things are reversed. It's ironic. But at the end of the day, the number of dead Palestinians in Gaza, as tragic as it may be, and it is a tragedy for many reasons, is, if anything, an indication that Israel went into Gaza trying to kill as few people as possible, not as much people as possible. Because if the strongest military in the world went in shooting its gun blazing, trying to kill everybody it saw in the most densely populated area in the world, I can assure you there would be tens of thousands of dead people, not 1,200.